Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I do read every one of them, and I really enjoy hearing from y'all. Okay, the Senate has 5 more days left on their recess. Then they will start working again on September the 8th. They say they will be voting on a bill by next Friday in hopes that the House will pass it as well. From the things that I have heard that is in this bill, if the House don't pass this bill, it will prove that they are the problem and they are the one holding up progress. But I really believe they will pass it. On the unemployment tax the unemployment tax cut. For the people who want this, please understand this is not a tax cut. You will pay this money back. I know Donald Trump said that he will forgive this debt completely if he's elected. But please understand, he can't do that without Congress voting on it. And we all know Congress will not do anything to help him. So you will be paying that money back. It's not a cut, it's a deferral. Y'all, I know it sounds good. You're going to get a little bit of extra money in your pocket right now, a very little bit extra money. But it's going to pile up, and then you're going to have to pay it back at one time. That's going to hurt you. Don't buy into this tax lie, because that's what it is. It's not a tax cut, it's a tax lie. Y'all, check out my book in the description below. It's a new book, How to Make Money Online, How to Start Your Own Business, and it gives you some example businesses to go by in case you really don't know what you want to do. And all of these businesses are little to nothing to start. Y'all be sure and check it out, and just know I love y'all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and also I've got that new channel. The link is in the description box. It's Wally's World Vlogs. Y'all be sure and check that channel out. There's nothing on it right now, but go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to have videos twice a week on there instead of once a week. Go ahead and subscribe so you'll get the very first video that goes over there, and that would be Saturday, I think, be the first one over there. Y'all, I love y'all. Until the next time, ciao.